The school was built in 1882. So obviously it's one of the original Henry Bastow buildings. Beautiful red brick building. It's been added to a lot since then. It's on the Heritage Register as being of statewide significance. So there's a huge responsibility that comes with that to obviously be the custodian and make sure it's looking and working well.
Our role as the maintenance unit was then to advocate for the school and to go to our funding partners and also to the executives to show them that we're fully satisfied with the scope of works that we're putting forward to make sure that the school was able to access that funding and the works could be completed.
We were obviously overjoyed and really happy that we were going to get the maintenance and the work and the scope expanded to include a full roof replacement. We worked with the VSBA and the architect and the builder to come up with a phased plan. So the roof was done in 3 stages, so we never lost more than 2 classrooms at a time.
Building strong stakeholder relationships is really important to running a job, particularly a job of this size. There was a lot of discussion between the project officer, myself, and the architect to make sure that, and the builder that won the tender, to make sure that we're all on the same page. So there was a lot of engagement at that stage. Having those early conversations may have paid off because the construction seemed to go quite smoothly.
Right from the start of the process, we had our own thoughts and our own requests, and there were times where we made suggestions and requested additions to the scope, and it was nice that they were taken on board.
For the VSBA, we want to preserve these buildings. We want them to shine. We want the parents and the community to be proud of the school that they're attending.
The spaces inside the school no longer have water leaks. There's no longer the risk of peeling paintwork. So that's great. It looks amazing. It's helped to build pride from our students and our families in the school, which is great. And the number of comments we've had from within the community, but also just people, in St Kilda, passers-by who've noticed the work that's happened and see how great that looks. So that's a really great outcome.
Architecturally, it's a magnificent building, and I'm glad that we've been a part of restoring history. I love it. I can't believe the result. It's fantastic looking building. It's just an amazing result, and the school is very happy with that. No more roof leaks, and how amazing does it look?